Greetings, fellow time travelers. In our exploration of the English language, we often encounter fascinating temporal twists and turns. Today, we embark on a journey to uncover the mysteries of the past. Perfect continuous tense. This intriguing tense allows us to delve into actions that occurred before a specific point in the past and emphasize their ongoing nature. Imagine you're piecing together a historical puzzle. The past. Perfect continuous acts as a crucial clue, revealing events that unfolded before a significant moment. It's like rewinding a film to understand the backstory, providing context and depth to our understanding of the past. Mastering this tense empowers us to express ourselves with greater precision, painting vivid pictures of bygone events. So, fasten your seatbelts as we venture into the realm of the past. Perfect continuous and unravel its secrets. Every time machine requires a blueprint, and the past perfect continuous is no exception. To construct this tense, we need to gather the following components. First, the auxiliary verb had. This element signals that we're dealing with a past perfect tense. Second, the verb been. This component indicates the continuous or ongoing nature of the action. And finally, the present participle of the main verb, verb plus ing. This part specifies the action itself. Let's assemble these components into a simple example. Suppose we want to describe someone who had been studying diligently before an exam. Using the past perfect continuous, we'd say, she had been studying for hours before the exam. In this example, had and been form the auxiliary verb phrase, while studying represents the present participle of the main verb study. By combining these elements, we clearly convey that the studying action was ongoing before the exam. Just as a time machine allows us to explore different eras, the past perfect continuous enables us to navigate various temporal relationships. Let's examine some common scenarios where this tense proves invaluable. First, describing an action in progress before another past action. For instance, I'd been sleeping when the phone rang. Here we understand that the act of sleeping was ongoing before the phone interrupted. Second, explaining a past event's cause or effect. Consider the sentence, he was tired because he had been exercising all morning. The past perfect continuous reveals the reason for his fatigue. Third, emphasizing the duration of a past action. Take the example. They had been waiting for the bus for an hour before it arrived. This emphasizes the extended period of waiting. And fourth, highlighting the incompleteness of a past action. For instance, she had been writing a novel for years but never finished it. This use underscores that the novel remained unfinished. By mastering these various uses, we gain greater control over our narrative flow, effortlessly transitioning between different points in time and illuminating the intricate relationships between past events. Now, aspiring time travelers, it's time to test your understanding of the past perfect continuous. Answer the following questions, choosing the correct option for each. 1. Which sentence correctly uses the past perfect continuous? A. He has been playing video games all day. B. They had been cooking dinner when the guests arrived. 2. What is the main verb in the sentence? She had been practicing piano before the recital. A. Had B. Practice. 3. Why is the past perfect continuous used in the sentence? He was exhausted because he had been running a marathon. A. To describe an action in progress before another past action. B. To explain the cause of a past event. Critical thinking. How does the past perfect continuous differ from the past perfect tense? Provide examples to illustrate your point. Imagine you're writing a story about a detective solving a mystery. How could you use the past perfect continuous to create suspense or reveal clues? By pondering these questions, you'll solidify your grasp of the past, perfect continuous, and unlock its full potential in your writing. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep experimenting with this fascinating tense and watch your storytelling skills soar.